Good afternoon. We are very excited to share our project idea for this competition build-a-thon, and we have choose the topic Atmanirbhar Bharat. The project is designed to help elderly people to take their medicines on time and send an alert to the family if any dose is missed. This is prototype of our project, you can see, and it is not working now. And as we all know that many senior citizens in our country live alone, and therefore they are at very high risk because they can forget their medicines, and if they forget their essential medicines like blood pressure medicine or sugar medicine, it can cause them a serious medical condition. Here comes our innovation, smart medicine tracker. This is easy and safe for everyone to use, and it can interact with the elderly person in their native language or in Hindi language. And our key components are Arduino Uno, which is brain of our project, DF Player Mini MP3 module, which plays Hindi voice reminder, SIM800L GSM module, which sends SMS to the family, 16:2 LCD display, which shows medicine information and time, DS32131 RTC module, which keeps time perfectly, push buttons for easy and convenient use, speakers and buzzers for alerts, and power bank for power supply. Each part make the project movable and user friendly. Now my fellow classmate Smith will tell us about the technicalities of this project. Smith.
Now I would show how a project works. This is a non-working model of a project. So the step one would be that if a person has selected a time for some medicine, using LED lights and buzzer, a box will remind the person that he have to take the medicine. For suppose if a person have to take heart medicine, at that time when he selected the heart medicine time, a light will be blinked and buzzer would make a sound which would make the person notice that he have to take the medicine. So if he have taken the medicine, he would press this button which would activate the voice command which would say धन्यवाद दवाई ले ली गई है, and it will stop the buzzer and LCD. But if the person have not taken the medicine within 2 hours of its taking time period, by using SIM800L GLSM module, ARM box will make a SMS to their selected family member that the person have not taken the medicine at the time. So the family member would take care after that. And suppose there is another situation where a person is having an emergency like an asthma attack or heart attack. He can press this button which would indicate an alarm to their family members, which so the family member could later take the responsibility about the situation happening. And now where our project will be used. First in rural families, where the person do not have access to internet or internet or call services, so the family members can't always give him a reminder that he have to take medicines. So our box will give him reminder according to his schedule. Now second is a busy family. In a busy family, person are too much busy that they could not always remind to the person that they have to take medicine or not. Hence, they all forgot at some time that the person have not taken the medicine, and that could cause another problem. Now, there will be another situation where the person is living alone. So hence he can very easily forget about the medicines. So this will make him clear notice that the person have to take the medicine.
In summary, our smart medicine model is designed for Indian family, especially for senior citizens who often forgot to take their medicines. Our smart medicine tracker will help them to remember to take the medicines on time and prevent any emergency situation if occurred. And our smart medicine tracker can also interact with them in the regional language or in Hindi. Thank you so much for giving us your precious time.